Hello, my crafty friends. I sure hope you're having a fabulous day. My name is Robyn Pitts with Sir Chauncey Rocco Creative Designs. If you're new to my channel or you're a returning subscriber, welcome. Today I have a design team craft haul from ASC Craft Supplies. I have a few items that I want to share with you, but primarily I want to review this Grapic 45 Let's Get Artsy collection. This is a beautiful, bright, vibrant paper collection, and I can't wait to start crafting with it. This collection contains the 12 by 12 collection pack, the 12 by 12 patterns and solids, the 8 by 8 collection pack, the ephemera, as well as the tags and frames. Now I'm going to clear off my desktop and we're going to take a look at the 12 by 12 collection pack first. This is the 12 by 12 collection pack. It has a total of 16 sheets, 2 sheets of 8 double-sided papers. This is just a gorgeous collection. I love that this pays homage to a variety of different artists, including Picasso, Van Gogh, Frida Kahlo, Moreau, Matisse. This is the first page, and I love that it has these large cut-aparts. Look at this. You have all of these beautiful images. On the back, you have this magenta solid, but I love that it has the words. It says beautiful things, express yourself, dream. On the next sheet, we have this gorgeous collage. Now, this is definitely inspired by Frida Kahlo. She loves the beautiful, bright, big flowers. On the back, you have this yellow and white polka dot against an orange background. Next, we've got this beautiful page here. I love the soft watercolors. Here we have beautiful things. Let's get artsy. This is just gorgeous. On the back, we have this blue printed floral pattern. Next, we have another all-over floral pattern. We have hints of red, pink, blue, green, and white. On the B side, we have this dark pink or magenta color. It's got a lace and floral pattern all over. Next, we have another set of beautiful cut-aparts. These are perfect for card fronts. On the side, you have these beautiful borders. We've got butterflies. We have sentiments, express yourself, create, imagine. On the bottom here, we've got these gorgeous floral patterns. On the flip side, we have this orange and fiery red pattern. This is a very intricate pattern and so pretty. This is our next page, and I absolutely love this. You've got these beautiful flowers. It looks as if you can just dive into the paper and be in a beautiful, lush garden. On the flip side, we've got this blue pattern paper. Next, we have more cut-aparts. We've got 3x4s, 4x6. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4 4x6 cards you can create. On the back side, you have these beautiful postcards. This is really pretty. The next page, we've got this beautiful blue background with these wonderful white flowers. And on the flip side, we have a dark blue background with a lighter blue scroll detail. And last but not least, we have the 12 by 12 sticker sheet. We've got the borders, banners, the individual stamps. This is just beautiful. Next, we have the 12 by 12 patterns and solids, and there are 16 sheets. First, we have this magenta color, and I love this shell pattern on it. On the back, you have this solid pink. Now, there is some texture on it. There's another magenta pattern, and this time you have tiny scroll details. We've got a solid pink. Next, you have this blue paper with printed details. On the back, you have a solid blue. This is the second blue pattern, and you've got these beautiful floral designs. On the back, you have another solid. On this page, we have an orange and red print. This almost looks like a basket weave. On the back, you have this bright orange or more of a fiery red color. This is the second orange pattern, and similar to the blue pattern, you have this beautiful floral detail. On the back, we have a solid. We have a yellow printed page. On the back, it's a solid. And the second yellow printed page has these tiny scroll details. And this is the back. Next, we have the 8x8 collection pack. This has the same designs as the 12x12. However, you have 3 sheets of 8 double-sided papers. Now, this is a perfect size for card making or making smaller mini albums. Next, we have the tags and frames and the ephemera assortment. Let's take a look at the tags and frame first. There are 34 pieces. Now, I'm not going to take this out of the package, but I did want to give you a closer look at some of the elements that are included inside. Next, we have the ephemera assortment. This also has 34 pieces. And here are some of the elements that are included. In addition to the Graphic 45 Let's Get Artsy paper collection, I also received several different sizes of score tape. So here we have the 1/4" score tape. I have the 3/8 of an inch score tape. And then 2 1/8 inch score tape. I also received these shaker mixes by ASC Craft Supplies. They're called Mix-em-Ups. Now this design is called Lovey Dovey. Now this is perfect for Valentine's Day or anything that requires pink shaker bits. Let's see, here's a closer look at all of the elements. You've got pearls and hearts and cupids. Beautiful collection. Now, if you haven't checked out the shaker bits at ASC Craft Supplies, please do so. They have a broad range of shaker elements, and they keep adding new ones in throughout the year. This concludes my design team haul from ASC Craft Supplies. You can visit them on the web or their Etsy store. Also, please feel free to use my coupon code Robyn10, that's all in capital letters, to receive a 10% discount upon checkout. Hopefully I've inspired you with this beautiful paper collection from Graphic 45, Let's Get Artsy. If you like this video, please take a moment to give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please be sure to check back to see what fun projects I've created with this paper collection. Thank you so much for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye for now, and happy crafting.